What's up everybody and welcome to another video. In this video we're gonna talk about the best gaming chairs in the market. So let's get started. Buying the best gaming chair is important because it's where you are going to spend most of your time. If you don't have a good gaming chair, the long gaming sessions can damage your health, especially your lower back. And it also seems disgusting to have a high-end gaming PC but not a nice gaming chair. With a good gaming chair, not only you can have long gaming sessions, but also you will enjoy them. Gaming chairs come in different designs, heights and with different materials. Considering this, we have prepared a list of 5 best gaming chairs for you. This list has been made after a lot of research. This list has been prepared by considering different factors such as material, quality and different parts of the chair. In this list, we have included chairs from every price range along with their features. You can check the detailed specs and updated prices by visiting the links in the description below. So at the number 1, we have Noble Chairs Epic Leather Chair. Although this chair is a little bit on the pricier side, it's the most luxurious and premium chair ever in the game. If you are looking for a premium quality leather chair, then this will be a good choice for you. This is the only chair in our list which is made of real leather. It comes with a soft and an ergonomic design. You can easily adjust the height of the seat by using the durable hydraulic gas lift. Along with an ergonomic design, this chair comes with a hybrid PU leather which is extra soft and makes you feel comfortable. It has individually adjustable sport pillows for neck and lower back. The feeling while sitting on this chair is similar to sitting in a luxury car. It has a luxurious and aesthetic design, and because of steel and other high quality materials used in its manufacturing, it is really durable. It is also 135 degrees reclinable and allow you to take naps in order to get prepared for long gaming sessions. The Noble Chair Epic is flexible and offers you the weight limit of 265 pounds. This chair is good from average to taller guys. It has 4D armrest which can be adjusted horizontally as well as vertically. These armrests make your arm feel comfortable and active for long gaming sessions. At the number 2, we have DX Racer Formula series. It is one of the best mid-range gaming chairs. The special thing about this chair is that it is recommended by most of the eSport players. It will cost you around $219. If you are looking for a chair which doesn't have a very high price but still offer good quality, then DX Racer Formula series will be a solid pick for you. DX Racer Formula series can be reclined up to 135 degrees. It also offers you small pillows for head and lower back to make them feel comfortable. Its armrests can be adjusted horizontally and are only vertically mobile. Unlike some cheap chairs, the reclination in DX Racer Formula series is variable. DX Racer Formula series is a little bit smaller than other chairs of its class, and it offers you the weight limit of up to 200 pounds, which means that if you are over 6 feet, then Arozzi Verona Jr. and Noble Chairs Epic will be a good choice for you. It offers you an ergonomic design with a lumbar cushion and a head cushion. It comes with an extra high backrest which offers you complete back support. This chair is made of breathable fabric to added comfort and sweat reduction. The mesh design is more breathable and durable as compared to the PU or bonded leather. One con of this mesh fabric is that it can't be easily cleaned. It also features a class 4 glass cylinder. So the next one in the list is Arozzi Verona Jr. This chair is specially designed for those individuals who are shorter than an average human. It costs you around $250. Verona Jr. has a shorter seat back than the average chair, so you can position both pillows in the right spots to keep a good posture. Unlike many other chairs which offer 135 degrees recline, the recline of Arozzi Verona can go up to 165 degrees. This recline also shows how durable this chair is. Instead of directly approaching 165 degrees recline, it also offers you 4 different increments so you can adjust it according to your needs. This chair also comes with 2 high quality armrests which can be adjusted both vertically and horizontally. Arozzi Verona Jr. offers you the weight limit of 130 pounds, which clearly shows that this chair is dedicatedly made for kids or a person which is shorter than an average human. If you are not a kid, then you can go with Arozzi's standard size gaming chair which offers you the weight limit of up to 230 pounds. The fourth one in the list is Respawn 110 Racing Style. It is the best budget gaming chair and it costs you around $150. This chair is designed by mainly focusing on ergonomics and comfort. Respawn 110 Racing Style offers the weight limit of up to 275 pounds. This gaming chair can be adjusted up and down according to the height of your PC desk. Unlike many other gaming chairs in the market, Respawn 110 Racing Style offers you complete reclinability. It doesn't stop here. It also has an extendable footrest for comfort by eliminating the need of a separate footrest. This is the standout feature of this gaming chair. This chair is best for those who want a chair that will change into a reclining lazy boy. Besides this amazing feature, Respawn 110 Racing Style is quite easy to set up. The armrest in this chair reclines completely along with the chair. If you are looking for a stunning quality gaming chair in low price, then I will highly recommend you to go with this one. So the last chair in our list is Hummel gaming chair. The gaming chair is usually used to be expensive, but Hummel provides us with the best in class gaming chair only for $110. This chair is purely built for you if you are low on budget. This chair can be adjusted vertically according to the height of your desk. It also offers you 180-degree recline, and this 180-degree reclination shows how durable it is. One of the downsides of this chair is that the armrests in this chair are not mobile at all. When it comes to the durability, this chair offers you the weight limit of up to 300 pounds, which is higher than any other chair in the list. Hummel gaming chair also has a lumbar and head cushions for comfortability. When it comes to the material, this chair is made up of high quality PU leather. If you are low on budget or a beginner, then this chair is especially designed for you. This gaming chair is designed to take your gaming experience to the next level in low budget. So that was all from this video. If you enjoyed the video, consider liking the video and subscribing the channel for the latest updates, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.